Dear teachers and students, welcome to the module Health and Well-being in Schools. I will be presenting a brief introduction about this module. We all know that health is very important and relevant in today's context. This COVID-19 pandemic has made us realize that one should be aware about various aspects of health and work towards healthy way of living. This module focuses on the concept of holistic health and well-being. Health, as commonly known, is much more than absence of disease and is also not restricted to only physical body. It has many dimensions such as social, emotional and mental health and well-being. As a teachers, we need to be aware of each of these dimensions for keeping self as well as our children healthy and future ready. We should also be aware that it is the right of every child to be provided opportunities for all round growth and development to realize his or her potential. Early years are the most significant years for human growth and development. While health is an important goal for all age group, investment in health and well-being of children is of utmost importance as it is cost effective and yield multiple benefits. The childhood years are foundational years for optimal physical and psychological growth and development of children. In India, we have 47 crore children comprising 39% of the total population up to the age group of 18 years. If we have to achieve the sustainable development goals of good health and well-being of everyone at all ages, the health of this large portion of population need to be focused. This module explains various stages of growth and development with a more focus on issues and concerns related to growing up. Since changes in the body vary from child to child and all children do not grow at the same pace, there may be some myths and misconceptions related to growing up. This module will help you to enable children to clarify these myths. Yoga being very important for not only for physical but also for emotional and mental health and has also been a part of this module. You will also realize the need of involving children in various physical activities, games and sports for developing good postures and holistic health. You all aware that body keeps itself fit when all systems and organs function properly. Along with regular physical activities and yogic practices, eating healthy and nutritious diet and observing healthy lifestyle is very necessary. Gender cut across throughout the module and care has also been taken to be inclusive. Empowering children to know their strengths and weaknesses and enabling them to cope up with emotional and mental issues is also the focus of this module. Anyone can face violence at different times in their life. Violence and abuses can be emotional, sexual, physical, corporal punishment, bullying, etc. Violence in any form or in any situation is never acceptable. One needs to challenge the violence in everyday lives to help make safe surroundings for oneself as well as for others. You have to encourage children to seek help and face with these challenges. Keeping quiet and not reporting violence may make matter worse. Module will also equip you to understand the importance of safe environment in school and outside school and has to help children to develop the ability to use internet and social media safely. As a teacher, you may have questions like, do we need separate classes for health and well-being, or it can be integrated in the content and pedagogy of various curricular areas such as science, social science, languages. You may also think how to develop various life skills related to health and well-being. Questions like these and many more will be answered as the module progresses. The pedagogical processes adopted in the module like case studies, role plays, videos, etc. are designed as participatory and experiential learning activities. Let us continue study together and become health and wellness ambassador. Happy learning together. Thank you.